Ever wondered what happens when Ferrari digs up one of its most iconic names and straps a rocket to it? Well, buckle up, because the 2026 Ferrari Testarossa is back, and it's not just a retro badge. It's a hybrid monster with style, tech, and more horsepower than a stable full of caffeinated stallions. Want to break it down together?
Oh, absolutely. Let's gossip about this car like it's a celebrity comeback tour.
So first off, the design. It's a love letter to the old Testarossa, but written with carbon fiber and CFD software. Wide stance, sharp side intakes, those twin-tail rear ends. It screams heritage while flexing futuristic muscles. Basically, it's like the 80s Testarossa went to Milan Fashion Week and came back with ABS.
And of course, no diva exists without rivals. The Lamborghini Revuelto is glaring from across the room with its hybrid V12, McLaren is polishing its electrified supercars, and even Porsche keeps flexing with hybrid and EV hypercars. Oh, and the Rimac and Lotus Evija are like the EV-only purists shouting, "Ditch the fuel already!" Ferrari, they just sip their espresso and say, "Now, we'll keep the drama of the V8 Grozzy."
Speaking of drama, the engine's a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. But wait, it's not alone. 3 electric motors tag along, 2 up front, 1 at the rear. Together they pump out around 1,050 horses, which is basically overkill unless you're drag racing a fighter jet. It revs to about 8,300 revolutions per minute, so it sings like Pavarotti in a very bad mood.
Performance, oh boy. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.3 seconds. Blink and you're already in jail. Top speed. Over 330 kilometers per hour, which is basically goodbye driving license. And thanks to hybrid torque, it launches like a slingshot, but still roars like a proper Ferrari. It's equal parts ballet dancer and caffeinated cheetah.
Alright buddy, if this video tuned your engine right, that like button down there is just like the gas pedal. Step on it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm not saying a new car will magically show up at your door, but I promise YouTube will honk for you when you do. So hit that subscribe, ring the bell, and every time I drop a new video, your phone will yell, "Hey, that car crazy dude is back again." Ferrari also threw in some wizardry. Active aero that shifts around like it's playing Tetris with the air. New suspension tuning, and an electronic brain called 5 Ferrari Integrated Vehicle Estimator, which sounds like something Tony Stark coded in his spare time. And finally, hallelujah, the return of physical buttons on the steering wheel. No more accidental windshield wipers while trying to change the drive mode.
And despite the hybrid bits, Ferrari kept the weight respectable, about 1,570 kilograms dry. They shaved off kilos with lightweight materials, carbon, and a lot of Italian stubbornness. It's like putting a full lasagna into a Tupperware and somehow claiming it's diet-friendly. But hey, balance is everything, and the weight distribution is a tidy 45/55.
Now, if you want one, better start selling kidneys. The coupe will set you back around for 160,000 euros, while the Spider laughs at your savings account at 500,000 euros. Deliveries kick off in 2026, so you've got some time too. Rob a bank. Just kidding, don't do that. Ferrari buyers usually just own 3 companies and a vineyard.
And the experience, think of strapping yourself into a jet fighter, but with Italian leather and mood lighting. It glides silently for a short EV-only trip, then unleashes hellfire the second you hit throttle. The steering is laser sharp, the aerodynamics make you feel glued to the road, and the sound. Pure goosebumps, basically. It's not driving, it's conducting an orchestra while riding a rocket.
So, to sum it up, the 2026 Ferrari Testarossa isn't just a car. It's a rolling Italian opera with extra horsepower and a side of electricity.
Exactly. It's fast, loud, expensive, and slightly impractical. In other words, peak Ferrari. You don't just drive it, you enter a dramatic storyline every time you hit start.
And if you can't afford it, at least you can say you read about it while eating pasta at home.
True, some dream it, some drive it, but everyone agrees the Testarossa is back and it's fabulous.